फोटोग्राफर्स को कब मिल रहा है. When you die, you don't say I just have one boring smile all the time. कैमरा तो अच्छा है, पैसे भी डाल दिए, लेकिन फोटोग्राफ कैसे खींचते हैं वो तो एक फोटोग्राफर ही बता सकता है.
Hello everyone. Today we are at the Taj and today we will be interviewing Shikha Khanna, the photographer who is famously known for self-portraits. So let's get in the video. आज के एस्पायरिंग फोटोग्राफर्स शिखा खन्ना का नाम जानते ही होंगे. मैं तनुश्री सनमार्क की तरफ से आई हूँ सीक्रेट्स ऑफ सेल्फ पोर्ट्रेट्स एंड मोबाइल फोटोग्राफी को अनलॉक करने. सो बात करते हैं शिखा जी के साथ. हेलो मैम, वी होप यू आर डूइंग गुड. हाउ हैज योर करियर बीन?
25 years of day and night and life. Career has been fabulous and amazing and I've loved it totally.
That's very interesting. In the age of selfies, how is self-portraits more meaningful to you?
Because, see, selfies is all about image. How do you look? How do you pose? Is my face okay? Is it looking nice? Self-portrait is all about what's the story? What's the message? How can I make it creative? Can I do hard light? Can I do soft light? Can I be creative? Can I only do half face? So self-portrait has a lot of creativity into it. Versus a selfie is more just how I look. So that's the difference.
आजकल सेल्फ पोर्ट्रेट्स बहुत कॉमन हो गए हैं क्योंकि लोग हर शूट के लिए फोटोग्राफर्स हायर करने के लिए विलिंग नहीं होते हैं. इससे आप कैसे डिफाइन करोगे? क्या ये फोटोग्राफर्स के लिए एक चैलेंज बन रहा है या फिर लोगों को अनरिलायबल बना रहा है?
फोटोग्राफी बहुत ईजी हो गई है, जैसे मैंने अपने वर्कशॉप में मेंशन किया था, क्योंकि टेक्निकल चीज़ें सॉल्व हो चुकी हैं. अब अनरिलायबल नहीं बना रहा है, उनको एक्चुअली एम्पावर कर रहा है कि वो खुद पिक्चर्स ले सकते हैं. उसका डाउन साइड ये है फोटोग्राफर्स को कम काम मिल रहा है, बट फोटोग्राफर्स को टीचिंग का काम ज़्यादा मिल रहा है क्योंकि इतने कैमराज हैं, इतने लोग हैं. कैमरा तो अच्छा है, पैसे भी डाल दिए, लेकिन फोटोग्राफ कैसे खींचते हैं वो तो एक फोटोग्राफर ही बता सकता है.
Every camera has different technical.
And also each photographer brings different thing to the camera. Each photographer will bring its own way of looking at things. So photographers जाते नहीं है कहीं पे, पर AI definitely is another reason why things will go out.
Okay. So what elements you use to make your photo look more impressive?
Heart, my own heart. I view things from my heart. I don't look at it as a subject. That's good enough because technical can be learned.
As per you, which phone is the best for self-portraits?
I like iPhone. I think iPhone has been fabulous, but there are a lot of new phones that are coming up. I believe Samsung is taking over. But I feel iPhone is much better when you print from it. It gives
also
better
the exposures and everything is
not really. Everything is, all phones are getting it now. But iPhone has a when you print it, it's a photo. They especially the iPhone Pro, they are developing that for photographers to use. So उनका focus ही photographers है, तो उसका print आता है. It's far better.
Being a mother, she has a lot to do in her life already. What would be your advice to the mothers who can engage themselves in self-portraits?
Because they're very busy, because children grow up, because children leave, it's very important that mothers must take out some time to make these memories. As I mentioned in the workshop, make an album and participate. And
collecting memories is very important.
Yeah, you know, and what a mother can see and look at, the baby can't. So when you gift those pictures to a baby, you're also giving the way your mother was looking at you, those views and those angles and what all she was looking at. So all that gifts is come because, you know, with herself and not to shy away how we look, because you will also see the transformation of bodies and everything, and all that is part of growing up and being a mother. So everything should be captured, good or bad, so that when you die, you don't say, I just have one boring smile all the time. For like 80 years, I just had the same smile. I had all the emotions because God's given emotions to do.
Who is your favorite photographer and why?
Sylvester Salgado, he's not dead, he's there. I got inspired initially by Annie Geddes, but then I just got away. Ansel Adams is another one. Prabhuddha Das Gupta in India was there. He's also died. And yeah, some of these.
And why do you like any specific
Because for me, photography is very emotional. So all these people brought emotions, whether Ansel Adams did it in landscape, Sylvester did it with his work. So it told a story, it told an emotion, so that connects me, and that's why I like their work and their dedication and consistency in trying to give the message.
What would be your advice to the new and fresh artists in this field?
First of all, get out of the selfie mode. Just keep your hands down and revert the camera and see the magic that you were born with. Like, there's so much magic around, there's so much to see, and your camera can help you see in your daily clutter life. Once you get addicted to taking pictures beyond yourself, then you can start seeing the world. And
Even like when you are clicking your pictures with the back camera, just don't focus on oneself.
Yes.
Focus on the background also. That's,
yeah, background or like how you're
Yeah.
feeling. You know, I want to do a picture like this. I'm feeling frustrated. It's okay to take a picture like that.
Yeah.
Because it's just an emotion you're expressing. It's not a good picture or a bad picture. And that's why I'm a big promoter of self-portrait. Because imagine when you die, there's a jumping picture, there's a funny picture, there's a happy picture, there's a sad picture, there's all kind of pictures. Selfies तो वैसे ही ले रहे हो, पर वो same smile में मत लो ना.
Right.
1000 pictures same smile की makes no sense.
बिल्कुल.
You have spent 1.5 lakh rupees to take good pictures, but you're only taking one kind of a picture. Makes no sense. Like the variety. See how you look when you make a face. How do you look when your eyes are small? How do you look when your eyes are big? How do you look when you're shocked? If God only wanted us to smile and do nothing else, He would have given only smile to us. But
Yes,
I think
there's rasa, you know that.
exactly.
Yeah. So 9 rasas there. So
All of them
Yeah.
needs to be experienced and
Yeah.
should be experienced with full happiness.
thank you so much, ma'am, for interacting with us. The
Thank you.
interview was really knowledgeable and interesting.
Thank you so much.
ऐसे ही और इंटरेस्टिंग इंटरव्यू सेशंस के लिए हमारे सनमार्ट के डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म से जुड़ना ना भूलें। हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और फेसबुक और इंस्टाग्राम को फॉलो करें। धन्यवाद।